That bit went deep in there. Oh yeah, she's fine. Let's go! Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, AK Moto Bro. And we should have Bigmacmoto at the gas station right now with this flippin' 2-stroke. Look at that thing. Chillin' purdy, bro. Oh my gosh. We got the beautiful 2-stroke Supermoto right here. And yo, look at Bigmacmoto. He's already holding the gas for me, bro. I appreciate that. Let's go, bro. You know the vibe. Shout out to boy Bigmacmoto, man.
That's that real service.
Real service out here, bro. Let's go. So the 2-stroke, she's all dialed in, running good?
Yeah, she needs some new handlebars, a new shift lever, but besides that, she's doing
good. Hell yeah. Here we have it. What year is it again?
03.
03, damn. She old, but she looking good, bro. You got the Supermoto XL, or those are Warp 9s? Warp 9 wheels on it. Let's see, first kick?
First kick?
Let's see.
Oh no.
Oh, second kick. Still good for an 03, bro. But yeah, we're all gassed up. We're about to go for a little rip, have some fun. So let's get it. Bro, that 2-stroke sounds so sexy. She's smoking, bro. That bit is smoking. Bro. 2-stroke ripping. Alright, so right now we're heading, we got like an off-road section. We got sort of like a empty area in the back over here. I sort of want to try the 2-stroke out. I'm going to ask him before we go off-roading if I could try that thing out. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Y'all know the vibes. You say what? I think it wants to turn off in here. Can I try it? Here, let's trade real quick. Let's go.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it, bro. Alright. Hey, the rear brakes work or?
Yeah?
Say, be careful. I got you, brother. Oh boy, the bars are crooked. Yeah. Bro, this thing is ripping, bro. Little tune game. Yeah. Bruh. Yo, it feels good. Like the power feels good. I mean, the bars are a little crooked, but like the power is there, bro. That was so sick. It's crazy how many memories I have with him on that bike. Like when he first started riding with me, he had that and a little pit bike, and then he blew that thing up, and now it's back running. God damn. We're going off-roading. A little off-road sesh. Hopefully it ain't too wet. I don't think it's really rain. Oh, it did rain yesterday. Woo. Damn, did they block it off?
Yeah, so all that dirt too.
Damn.
Looks like it's flooded back there too.
Yeah, it doesn't look good, bro. Oh, shit.
Damn.
Yeah, this is way too flooded, bro.
The whole trail flooded?
This section is, yeah. My baby. Oh, it's fine. Yo, bro. What'd you do to my bike, man? You pushed it over. Ah!
You're hurting yourself now.
Bro, yeah. There's no other way in that shit?
Maybe over by the cul-de-sac, but that's the only two ways that I...
It went deep in there.
Alright.
Oh yeah, she's fine. Alright, let's see if we can find a different way to some off. Oh my god, this. Whew, I breathed in so much two-stroke right there. Woo. Yeah. Hey, you go in front. Oh my god, bro, I almost just freaking wiped out right there, brother. That was a little gnarly. Where does it lead to?
Huh?
Where does it lead to?
Fuck if I know, I only know the trails on the other side.
Fuck it. Well, let's go. We won't be here too long, you know? Woo! Little wheelie off-road, baby. Let's go. I love Florida, bro. Just finding some off-road trails. It took us a minute, but we finally found some to have some fun and rip. Yo, this is sick. Yo, this is, I feel like I'm in a rainforest. What the hell? That's the cool thing, like, you never know where you're gonna end up, bro. Yo, that area was sick. Which way?
You did right last time, you wanna go right again?
Let's play the number game. I'm thinking of a number 1 through 5. If you get it, we go that way. If you don't, we go that way.
3.
Well, that was that way then. How'd you know? Yeah. Woo! Yeah. I'm just spinning, bro. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Bro, some Florida off-roading, baby. It's like, bro, where are we, bro? We keep ending up in different type of like trees and terrain. Like now it's grassy over here. It's not any sandy. It was muddy for a bit. It's like never ending, bro. It just keeps going and going. I love doing that. I'm just spinning. Hey, does yours spin? Yeah. Let's go. Oh, I'm in the mud, bro. I felt my rear end just whipping out, but I caught it. Alright, we just took a little break in this beautiful scenery. Bigmacmoto had his bike leaning over and it was just spilling out gas. So hopefully he has enough gas to get back to the crib. Or we're gonna be stranded out here, bro. Hopefully that don't happen. I'll have to push him all the way back. there. Ah! Bro, I hit a bump and it scared the hell out of me. But gang, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay motivated. My boy Bigmacmoto. Till next time, peace!